Thinking about learning to drive in Plymouth? Whether you're just starting out, or finally ready to tick it off your list, Driver Training Limited is here to help you take that first confident step behind the wheel. From weekly driving lessons that fit neatly into your routine, to weekend sessions when life's a bit less hectic, we make it work around your schedule. Prefer manual? Want to go automatic? We've got both, taught by calm, qualified instructors who know Plymouth like the back of their hand. In a hurry? Our one-week intensive driving courses are designed to get you test-ready fast, without cutting corners. Pass your test with confidence. On roads you'll actually drive every day. Because here in Plymouth, we don't just teach you to drive, we teach you to drive well, for life. Book today. Manual, automatic, weekly, weekends or one-week courses, it's your journey. Let's get started. Go to www.passfaster.net/driving lessons Plymouth.